How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, a triple welcome to you. Guys, we're gonna do favorite fives. We're gonna do favorite fives today of December in terms of all of the beauty products that I've been enjoying. So 5 that I chose, and I'm going to do my favorite fives for each month, but then I'll combine it with perfumes and makeup and other things as well. But for now, I'm gonna separate them. I'm gonna do one for beauty products, one for makeup, and then also for this month one for perfumes. But then I will, do the favorite fives of 2020 in terms of the perfumes, and maybe also a less favorite 5 2020 for perfumes as well. But this will be the favorite fives for beauty products. So if you are interested in seeing what I chose, then continue watching. So the first product, guys, we're gonna talk about is this one, and this is a product by L'Oreal. This is the Pure Clay Detox Wash. It cleanses, it clarifies, and it detoxifies. It has 3 pure clays in there with charcoal, and usually, I use this as a face wash. You wash your face, you rinse it off, but sometimes I'll leave it on a little bit longer, maybe for 10 minutes, and then I'll wash it off. So it's almost like a mask as well. It's very, very soft on the skin, guys. I have very dry skin, and it does not dry my skin out at all. I can't really say how it will work on oily, greasy skin, but for myself, for my type of skin, I have like a combination more to the dry side. It really does work very, very well. This is my 3rd tube that I'm using. I will definitely repurchase this again because it's quite value for money. I think it's 120 and sometimes 90 rand when it's on sale. It's a 150 mils. So, and it also, the last one that I used, I actually used it for like 3 to 4 months almost. So it's good value for money. So I'm really enjoying this, and I will definitely repurchase this one. The second product, guys, is this Essence Moisture Mask by Annique. Annique is a South African brand, and guys, I am very supportive of local branding. I think that everyone in their own country should support local brands. It's very important. And this is made from some rooibos tea, not rooibos tea, but rooibos, the plant, as well as the macadamia nut oil. And if you know anything about rooibos, you know that they make the rooibos tea, but they also make other products from rooibos like face washes, face creams, some shampoos and conditioners. So rooibos is a very good leaf plant, a tea plant that is used, and it has very good healthy and healing properties in there. So I'm really enjoying this mask. This is for hydration. As you know, I suffer from very dry skin. I also live in an area where the climate is very dry. We have dry summers, we have dry winters. I live in a semi-desert area. I live in an area where the sun is really harsh, so you have to keep your skin as hydrated as much as possible, and I'm really enjoying this product. I have been using it for the past month and a half, and I'm definitely going to repurchase it. I think it does wonders for my skin, especially when it comes to hydration. Okay, so guys, the next one is this little lip mask, and as you can see, the name and everything just disappeared. I think it's when you handle the stuff, so it just disappeared from there. I'll put the name of the product down below, but I think it's by Laneige or Laneige. And it's a lip mask that you put on before you go to sleep, and then the next morning your lips is beautiful and soft. Sometimes I'll even use this during the day as well, as I suffer from dry lips, especially during the winter time. So I can't wait for the winter to come around to test it out. But so far so good, guys. I actually bought 2 of these. This one I went through not a lot. You don't need a lot, guys, so you can see it's still a lot left. But I'm definitely going to top up on this because I'm really enjoying this product a lot, and it was also very inexpensive, guys. Okay, so guys, the next product we're going to talk about is one by Lanbena. It's a Snail Repair Eye Serum, and this is an eye roller massager, and it hydrates the dark circles under your eyes. You know, being a mom, running around a lot, getting to bed late at night, that only contributes to the problem I already have. And I find this very light on the skin. It absorbs very quickly. It's not as thick as the eye creams. I actually prefer the gels and the serums over the eye creams because they tend to clog up my pores under my eyes, which also contributes to, you know, having clogged pores, you know, removing or getting rid of that can be sometimes very uncomfortable. So this actually helps me a lot to avoid that problem under my eyes. And then, as you can see, I'm just gonna open it up so that you can see it has this three little balls that glides onto the skin. I usually also keep this in the fridge, so it's quite nice and cooling when you put it on under your eyes. And I usually use this product in the evenings as well as in the mornings, and it really does make a difference under my eyes, guys. So I'm definitely going to repurchase this product. This was a first test, and I'm very impressed with this, especially for the price point. So guys, the last favorite for December that I'm really enjoying is my little face roller, and there you can see it. This is also an AliExpress buy. Very cheap, but very essential, guys. It helps with your circulation and plumping up the skin and everything, all those nice type of things. Very nice when you put it in the fridge and you roll your face afterwards. It has like a calming, cooling effect as well, especially when it's, you know, summertime and you need that extra, you know, oomph for your skin. I actually saw some in Mr. Price as well, so you can go and get yourself one at Mr. Price. I think it's like maybe 70 Rand for one, I think so. I speak under correction, but this was even less than that. I think this was like 30 Rand on AliExpress, but then of course you'll have to wait for it a long time. Yeah, but that is the 5th favorite that I'm enjoying so much for the month of December. Okay, so guys, here are my favorite 5s for December in terms of beauty products. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was just a quick little video. I'll probably do one for the perfumes as well, as mentioned before, and maybe also for the makeup. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.